is this formula, which is 2 pi and then it's radius, and then it's another parenthesis, degrees over 360. This is the first thing you want to know, the most important thing. Then this is question number 2, which is this. And what it's asking is to find the arc of GR. So this is the radius, obviously. So from here to here is 12 feet. And then major arc GR, which would be from here. This is the major arc, is the longest arc. So it would be from here all the way to here. And that's 200. That would be 200 right there. And according to this formula right here, it would be pi, I know, 2 multiplied by pi, and then multiplied by 12, and then multiplied again by 200 over 360. And then if you did a calculator, that's 6.28 times 12. Oops, that's a calendar. Six point 28 times 12, 6.28 times 12, 73.6. So we'll just do this real quick to save space. 75.36 times 200 divided by 360, 0.5. 0.56. And then, so this would be times 75.36, and that would be your answer. This would be the length of GR. Wait. Yeah. So this would be the length. So this would be 200 degrees, and it would also be 48.16 feet. That makes sense. So this would be 48.61 feet. So this one's asking if GA, which is this, was equal to 29, and the major arc DG was equal to 185 degrees. Determine this. So what it would be again would be 2 times pi times 29, since that's the radius, and multiplied by 185 over 360. So if we put that in the calculator, it would be 628 times 29 equals, this turns into 182.12. Then it would be multiplied by 185 over 360. Which is 0.13, 0.514. And then, so then you would multiply these, 182.12, and then that would be your arc measurement. So this would be, so the GD major would be 93.5, which would be GD, that's how you would draw it. 93.5. So all you really need to do is remember this formula right here, which is pi times 2 times radius times degrees over 360. Then part C is basically the same thing, but using the minor arc, which is the smaller arc. So if, let's say there was a U right here, um, instead of it being a GU, like a long arc GU, this would be a major arc, it would be a minor arc, which would be the smaller side. So it would only be this portion. So that's basically what it would be. Alright, so I'm not really sure how to do this one, but my guess would be you find the circumference of the circle. So if the radius is 200, that means each one of these lines to the center would be 200 feet for each line in the center. And then if you do the circumference formula, which would be 2 pi times r, this would mean it would be 6.28 times 200, which would equal to 6.28 times 200. It would equal to 256.4. Wait, what did I just say? No, it would so if you do this formula, it would equal to 1256. Then just assuming that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there's 18 seats. So what I would do is divide this by 18. So it would be this divided 18, 69.7. So that means each one of these are 69.7 away in length. So if you go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wait, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So wait, would it be 3? So if M is here and they're 1 apart, 2 apart, 3 apart, 4 apart, so it would be divided by 4. No, I mean multiplied by 4. 69.78 times 4. It would be 279 feet, point 12. This is my guess. I'm not really sure. But he would have traveled 279.12 feet. If that is how it works.